Why is it that some people build wealth effortlessly while others remain stuck in the cycle of financial struggle? The truth is, wealth isn't just about numbers, it's about mindset. And today, I'm going to show you how to rewire your brain for financial success using science-backed principles. Welcome to Elevate Me Finance, where we break down wealth-building strategies step by step. If you apply what I'm about to share, you'll begin to see money, and your potential to create it, in an entirely new way. So, let's dive in. The way we think about money is shaped by years of conditioning, what we saw growing up, what we were taught in school, and even the media we consume. Let's take a look at the differences. Scarcity. There's never enough money. Abundance. I can't afford it. How can I afford it? Replace thoughts of lack with thoughts of possibility. Example, a struggling entrepreneur who changed their mindset and built a thriving business. Surround yourself with wealth-conscious people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Example, a young investor who leveled up by networking with financially savvy mentors. Practice gratitude and visualization. What you focus on expands. Visualizing financial success primes your brain to seek opportunities. Example, athletes using visualization to win competitions. Same principle applies to wealth. Mindset is crucial, but so are smart financial habits. Here are 5 wealth-building principles you should start applying today. Pay yourself first. Before you pay bills or spend, invest in your future. Automate savings and investments. Invest in income-producing assets. The wealthy don't just save, they make their money work for them. Debt isn't always bad, but consumer debt keeps you trapped. Prioritize paying it off. Multiple streams of income. Develop skills that allow you to earn in different ways. Master delayed gratification. Success with money isn't just about what you earn, it's about how you think, what you do, and the habits you build. Reprogramming your brain for financial success starts today. The question is, are you ready to take control? If you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share it with someone who needs this message. And if you're serious about transforming your financial future, check out the resources linked below.